Hello, this is your host, Attorney Alan Edmonds, and I'm bringing a new case to you in response to some of your questions. Many of you know that the Edmonds Law Firm practices national security, military law, and discharge upgrade cases. Today's case dealt with the Department of the Army. I'm holding it up here. It's a new result that we just received, and I wanted to share it with you. The question that some of you ask is, does the Edmonds Law Firm deal with other federal agencies? And the answer is absolutely. And here is a case from the Department of the Army. Many of you know that we're experts with national security cases and appeals before DOHA, the Defense Office of Hearings and Appeals, and DOD. We also are experts with CIA, FBI, and NSA cases. Some of you asked last week, do we handle DOE cases, Department of Energy, and I did a podcast about that. Today's case is Department of the Army, and it involved a suspension of access. And what I want to share with you from the inception is that a statement of reasons is the first document revoking your clearance from the Department of Defense. It comes from the good people at Fort Meade, DCSA. Well, the Army can do the same thing. They can revoke a clearance, and they call it suspension of access to classified information. This is the case that we were retained on just 30 days ago. This client came to us because he had been declined representation with other law firms. They said, your case is not a good case. We can't help you. He came to the Edmonds Law Firm, 800-481-2526. And he said to me, can you help? And I said, absolutely. I think you have a good case. The Department of the Army uses Army Regulation 380-67, which is their personnel security program regulation. In their suspension of access, they told him that we are suspending your access because it's come to our attention that you were involved in a domestic violence issue with your wife. The facts on the Army side were not supported. In time, the case was dismissed by the courts in the state of Maryland. The domestic violence action was dismissed. The wife even recanted her allegations, yet still the Department of the Army went forward with suspending his access. He came to us and we filed a response to the action. It was over 20 pages long with exhibits, and we filed a formal response. We did this all within 30 days. And today, he sent us an email, and I quote, I received the decision from CAS today that the incident was closed out and my eligibility was found favorable. I appreciate all your assistance. Thank you again. Another career save, another clearance saved, and all because the Edmonds Law Firm was able to respond within 30 days with a formal written response to the Department of the Army. The Department of the Army looked over our response, and they found that we had mitigated the concerns with the evidence that we presented and the arguments. This is your attorney. I want to be your attorney. The Edmonds Law Firm can help you. We help veterans, we help active duty, and we help civilian DOD contractors with security clearance matters. You can reach me, Alan Edmonds, at 800-481-2526. I look forward to speaking with you.